What's going on tonight, YouTube? We are checking out some more Destroy Rebuild Until God Shows. This is a brand new release called Brighter Side. Got a music video as well. Very excited for this. You guys know I love Craig's voice so much, and we are just now starting to get revived with this band, so I'm very excited to hear another one. We have some tier 3 patrons to shout out as well. We've got Hunter, Matthew, James, Ian, Marissa, Austin, Charles, Zachary, Jay Alexander, and Levi. Thank you guys all so very much, dude. I'm ready. Let's get right into it. Ooh. Nice piano. Some cool little effects in here already. Nice build on the drums. Whoa! So high up there. Dude, that's insane. Those screams. The tone of this guy, those sing screams. Oh, dude, that's sick. Oh. I don't care what you think about me. Their drummers going nuts. Dude, that bass is cranking too. They're popping off. That's chunky. Yeah. Love the riff in here, but dude, his vocals up there. Wow. Wake up. Ooh, that was cool. Wow, all the sounds in here sound so cool. So I'll go on with my life. I guess that was our variation of a breakdown there. The step down on the hearing that voice drop. Like, seriously, hearing that voice drop like it's going down stair steps so like fluid like that is ridiculous. The control and everything on that's ridiculous. Man, dude, that was so good. This was awesome, you guys. This song was so cool. I was Destroy Rebuild Until God Shows Brighter Side. Loved it. Loved it. Loved it. Craig just showcasing really how high this guy can sing, hitting crazy notes. Amazing control, that sort of stair-steppy, dropping the octaves or whatever in his voice so effortlessly. Like, it's just... it's so satisfying to listen to. I love it. Those big sing screams, just amazing. Seriously amazing. Instrumentally, they were going in. A lot of really cool effects just kind of tossed in here and there. A lot of really subtle stuff, but notably the drummer and the bass popping off just all over the place. There were some really cool riffs in here, but the guitar work definitely was not overtaking the song for me. The drummer and the bass was really shining, and we had some like kind of cool, you could call it a breakdown interlude. I'm not exactly sure what it was, but it was a cool little transition there in like the second, third half, whatever you want to call it. Really like that, bro. Overall, like the sound of this was super cool. Very cool. That's got me very excited to see what else these guys are going to be releasing, so we will be checking that out as soon as we can. And as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one.